How's it going, everybody? My name is Ryan Esparza. This is my stand-up code review video. I know it's been a while since I've done one. Um, from the last video that I've done, I was having some issues with my quicksort function, but I was able to get it fixed and implement my linked list. How I'm using my linked list is it's basically a sort of trash bin or trash can for deleted records. So just in case like a user deletes a record, but we still need it, they can they can select this option, which is case 7, um, which basically will display trash. And how that happens, well, I'll get into it. But let's say a user goes to delete the records. And I'm going to be thorough with this, so bear with me. So as you can see, we have our delete records function. Obviously, if count equals 0 for the items in the client list, then we'll say no records to delete. Simple. String, we created temp customer name because we're asking for the name that they want to delete. This was a cool little capitalization tool I did, basically to uppercase um, anything that was after a white space, right? So because they're typing in the name space, name. Cool. I'm just trying to look at my time. Um, right, we create a temporary because we're gonna have to move everything once we delete this name, this or whatever name that the user wants to delete. And then as you can see, we have our push to trash function inside of here. If the client name matches the temp custom name, super simple. But that push to trash function comes down here, and basically we create this new node, and then we pull from the deleted data is an object right here, and from there um, it becomes record to delete, and then basically we just assign it to the linked list from this push to trash function. So when we run it, well, let me stay on track. Um, so yeah, and then it gets pushed to trash. Um, and then the user is able to display it by selecting view trash bin, and I have the display trash. Where's that? Oh god, right here, display trash, and I formatted it a little bit different just to kind of look cool. um, I'm going way over the time, I don't care. I implemented an H file, which I need to move more functions out of, and I learned about something really cool from another C++ guy um, that I'm going to try and implement. What I plan on accomplishing, obviously my stacking queue, you don't see it anywhere, maybe for either addresses or phone numbers. Um, and then the biggest hurdle was small errors, just really small logical errors on my part that I tried working through and figuring out. Like this one was really stupid. I just have to say this before I end the video. Um, well, this I did not change when I implemented this case 7, right? I also did this as well, but I'm not gonna go over it. When I implemented this case 7. So every time it was actually still on 7, I would select this option. It would end the program, and it messed it up. And I was like, why? I wonder why this is not working. And yeah, I figured it out uh, the hard way, I guess. Um, but yeah, that's my code review. Um, yeah.